Okay guys, so this is my outlook on USD pairs, that's GBP USD. I'll just use GBP USD and DXY to explain the rest. So on a daily time frame on DXY, remember DXY correlates with all of them. Using DXY, normally we have a trend break. That's why you should understand how your market structure, what your market structure is saying. We have a trend break, we have low, high, low, high, low, high. Other flow realignment, step printing from going from downtrend to an uptrend. And not just that, another sweet thing about this move is we have an ascending channel, and now price has just mitigated the last point of the ascending channel. That means we should see a sharp move upward or a break beneath this level. And if this breaks below this point, then we should expect sales on DXY. You should be expecting sales on DXY. And if DXY dumps, then GBP USD and the rest, GBP USD, Euro USD, gold, and the rest of them will be pumping really hard. But on weekly perspective, the candle formation I'm saying is aggressively bullish. However, we can only confirm a move when this high gets taken, then we can confirm our direction and bias. And for a daily time frame, you can say the same thing. If this breaker fails, then we start looking out for buys on DXY and sells on the rest of the pairs. Now on GBP USD, we have an ascending channel also, but suddenly we have a breakout from this ascending channel. You have a breakout of that point. Now we should be expecting is a total sweep of this entire ascending channel, because this is a liquidity level. Price should just sweep out everything as liquidity. Though using my strategy for continuation, we should be expecting a buy at this zone, at a key level at this point. A buy continuation. If that fails, then start looking out for sales. It will be that price wants to fulfill weekly objective. And on weekly charts, you can clearly see, first of all, you just have to mark out your Fibonacci tool from this golden line from this golden line above is our premium, and below it is our discount level. Now we should be looking forward to buy at a discount up to a premium. Now initially I got this swing earlier when I started trading forex. I posted it on our Telegram group. If you scroll, you are going to see it. Now looking at the weekly chart, any buy I'll be taking from here will be with confirmation, because like I said, once price takes out a range, anything can happen. So you should be careful on how you place your trades. Now, since we are on a premium, if I'm looking to take a buy continuation, in as much as it will be with confirmation, but these are the two key levels which I'll be looking at to take a buy. First of all, this zone is mitigated. This demand is mitigated. This is a clean demand for me to buy from. This is a clean demand for me to buy from. It's at a discount level, inducement close to it. And the other one is not really clear. I don't know why. But this point is also a key level for me to buy from. I can actually just use this entire candle. That's a hidden block. That's a strong key level. Let's go to the H4 to see everything properly. Now, this is actually my old chart and my old chart sponsor which I'm using to do this, because I have some analysis on my main chart. Now you can see the sharp key level for buy continuations. This is a good point to look out for buys to swing. Now 1, 2, these are the two key points. You can refine this one to this point. we have an unmitigated level at this zone. So these are the points at which I'll be looking at to take swing buys on GBP/USD, because what I'm seeing now seems to be something like this, a sharp move for our sell, and this will correlate with whatever will happen on DXY or whatever. So with that said, that's just my analysis on them. Now for gold, I actually have an analysis here, but then I'm going to correlate everything together. I'm going to work everything together. Now at this point, we should have taken a buy at this point. Just was doing my study. We have a trend break, a retest of the trend, and price should have sold, though the supply was not truly mitigated. But price should have mitigated it and sold aggressively if it actually wanted to sell, but then it didn't. So we had a shift in another flow realignment. Now because of this FBS, at this point we had a sweep of liquidity. So I'm expecting price to come take it out and mitigate my zone for continuation. And I'm going to swing of course, your main take profit should be targeted to the high that led to that reversal to mitigate your zone. Then your next take profit should be your trend line liquidity. That's about 10R. So that's just it. And you can see this aligns perfectly with my trend. So that said, that's just my analysis on all these pairs.